everyone, this is Kate with Green Cover, and I'm going to show you a couple new updates we've made to SmartMix. So I'm starting out here on my goals page. I've entered all my information and my goals down here, so I'll continue to species. And I want to do this mix from scratch, so I'm going to select add species instead of the auto generate. So the first thing I want to point out is the season type and the life cycle drop down buttons up here. In the season type, you can now select to choose either all warm season or all cool season species. And in the life cycle dropdown, you can choose either annuals or perennials. You'll also notice that we've listed the plant family right underneath the product name. So you can use this to help you add more plant families to your mix. You'll notice that all the legumes are in the same plant family, all the grasses are in the same plant family, and all the brassicas are in the same plant family. But when you get to the broadleaves, there's a lot of different plant families represented. So one of the mistakes that we see people make is they maybe want a really diverse mix. So they'll add 5 or 6 different grasses or maybe 5 or 6 different legumes. And that doesn't really help to add a lot of diversity in your mix. You really want to add at least 4 different plant families. And some people will say getting up to that 6 or 7 is really where you're going to hit a lot of benefits to the soil and the ecosystem as a whole. So we always recommend having at least 1 from the legume family, 1 from the grass family, 1 from the brassica family, and at least 1 from the broadleaf family. But if you want to get up to that 6 or 7, you can add multiple different broadleaves to help you achieve that more diverse mix. So I hope this was helpful and happy mixing.